Welcome to the Easy Tech News channel, and today in news we talk about the new regulations and the new things that's going to happen in 2021. Apparently, one of the first is that the U.S. government will be actually helping out and funding the removal of Chinese technology within the infrastructure in the United States for, of course, broadband internet and mobile connectivity. So that will possibly make for higher prices on the different services like internet, cell phone, and so on. But that's going to be interesting to see. So basically, there will be everywhere where some Chinese tech, like anything from Huawei or ZTE, is used, it's going to be removed, and actually they will replace that equipment with devices made by US-based companies, tech companies like Intel, for example. So that's one thing that's going to happen here. The other one is an interesting one, and hopefully this could be very cool also, is the funding of or giving a rebate for low-income families or also basically there will be a rebate for broadband internet connectivity, so that people that cannot afford right now to be connected will be, as they are mentioning that this is important, especially in times of pandemic, to have the ability to be connected and have broadband internet is a very important thing. So I think these are interesting news. We'll be following that, of course, through the year. We all know that when government decides something, and that's for every country around the world, between the time that something is to be decided and something happening is often two very different things. And also the delays and the time that it'll take to have that happen is also something to look for. But we'll be checking that out throughout 2021 for sure. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.